Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel Heavy Machinery. In this video, join us as we explore cutting-edge automatic fruit processing lines. From efficient harvesting and sorting to precise washing, cutting, and packaging, witness how technology streamlines every step of fruit processing, ensuring top quality and maximum freshness in every package. The PND PL8 Apple Peeler is an advanced machine designed for the efficient peeling, coring, and slicing of apples. This equipment is ideal for industrial applications, ensuring consistent quality and speed in fruit processing. Features: high-precision peeling. The PND PL8 uses specialized blades to peel apples with high accuracy, minimizing waste while maintaining the fruit's integrity, coring and slicing. Along with peeling, the machine can also core and slice apples, making it suitable for various product requirements, including ready-to-eat segments. Adjustable settings. The machine offers adjustable settings to accommodate different sizes of apples, ensuring versatility in processing. The DF24's raw material loading process involves manually placing strawberries onto the in-feed belt, ensuring gentle handling to prevent bruising. The manual loading on the DF24's in-feed belt requires careful placement of strawberries by operators, ensuring each fruit is positioned correctly for optimal decalyxing and minimal damage. Precision removal of strawberry calyx. The DF24 uses an advanced air removal system to efficiently blow away the separated leaves, ensuring the strawberries remain clean and free of debris before further processing. The machine precisely slices strawberries into equal halves. The DF24 can also quarter strawberries with accuracy, providing consistent, uniform pieces ideal for further processing. The sweet corn processing line by Sweer is designed for optimal efficiency, catering to both the fresh market and vacuum packaging. This advanced system begins with the gentle handling of freshly harvested corn, minimizing damage while maximizing quality. The process involves husking, cutting, and optionally removing kernels, ensuring the product is clean and ready for further processing or packaging. For vacuum processing, the line ensures the corn is perfectly sealed, preserving its freshness and extending shelf life. Sweer's line is highly customizable, offering flexibility in production volumes, and is engineered to maintain the integrity and flavor of sweet corn throughout the process. Backquote. The PND Pearl 6 Parent Chiller is a specialized machine designed for efficient pear peeling, commonly used in large-scale fruit processing facilities. The process begins with pears being loaded into the machine either manually or via an automated system. Once inside, the pears are carefully positioned to ensure uniform peeling. The machine utilizes a specialized mechanism, which may involve rotating blades or abrasive surfaces to remove the peel. After peeling, the pears undergo inspection to ensure quality, checking for any residual peel or damage. Finally, the peeled pears are output, ready for further processing or packaging, making this machine ideal for high-volume operations. The SPP 100 Tomatoes Sectioner machine is an efficient, high-capacity automatic slicer designed to process up to 100 tomatoes per minute. It features a fully automated system for feeding, orienting, and slicing, although it can also be operated in a semi-automatic mode with a single operator required for infeeding. The machine offers customizable slicing options, allowing for quick changeover of the slicing head based on customer specifications. Constructed entirely from stainless steel and other corrosion-resistant materials, it ensures easy sanitation and adheres to international safety standards. Its robust design and versatility make it an ideal choice for high-volume tomato processing operations. The stretch film machine is an advanced solution designed for efficient and secure packaging of fruits and vegetables. It applies stretch film to products, ensuring they are tightly wrapped and protected during transit and storage. This machine is essential in maintaining the freshness and integrity of produce by preventing damage and contamination. It is part of a broader range of services that include professional support for sorting systems and packaging machines equipped with labeling technology. The company also specializes in custom constructions tailored to specific needs, offering comprehensive solutions to optimize packaging processes for various types of produce. The Hayth Group potato grading and washing system is a state-of-the-art solution tailored for efficient root crop processing. As leaders in bespoke systems, Hayth designs each component to ensure seamless operation from start to finish. The system begins with a box tippler that automatically unloads potatoes into the processing line. The pre-soak tank gently washes away soil and debris, preparing the potatoes for further processing. Following this, bit removers and destoning units eliminate impurities and unwanted materials. The washing phase uses advanced techniques to thoroughly clean the potatoes while preserving their quality. After washing, the potatoes are polished to enhance their appearance. The grading system then sorts them by size and quality, ensuring uniformity. Finally, the packing stage efficiently packages the potatoes for distribution. Hayth's system is renowned for its precision, reliability, and flexibility. The PND PL6 Citronschiller lemon washing process features a merry-go-round in-feed belt for manual loading. It ensures the preservation of the very thin zest while effectively peeling the lemons. The merry-go-round in-feed belt enables smooth, continuous manual loading, ensuring precise handling of delicate lemons. The manual loading system of the PND PL6 Citronschiller is designed for precision and care, allowing operators to delicately position each lemon onto the merry-go-round in-feed belt. This hands-on approach is essential for maintaining the integrity of the thin zest, ensuring that the lemons are properly aligned for effective washing and peeling, resulting in a high-quality final product. The PND PL6 Citronschiller is specifically designed to handle lemons with very thin zest, ensuring that the delicate outer layer is preserved during the washing and peeling process, enhancing product quality. The PND PL6 Citronschiller efficiently produces perfectly peeled lemons, ready for further processing or packaging. HJV Engineering's latest packing line boasts a sophisticated design, optimizing efficiency with a well-planned layout of interconnected machinery and workstations. The line features advanced equipment, including high-speed conveyors, precise fillers, reliable sealers, accurate labelers, and efficient packagers, each engineered for high performance and minimal downtime, capable of handling thousands of units per hour. This line exemplifies top-tier automation with robotic systems and integrated controls, streamlining production and reducing manual intervention. Rigorous quality control technologies ensure product consistency through real-time inspections and testing. The line also introduces significant efficiency improvements, such as reduced waste and lower operational costs. Designed for versatility, it caters to various products, from food and beverages to industrial goods, while incorporating eco-friendly practices like energy-efficient machinery and recycling systems. The Sweer vegetable cutter is a versatile machine designed to handle various vegetables, including sweet corn, carrots, and zucchini. It boasts a stainless steel frame, ensuring durability and hygiene. The machine features an adjustable knife system that allows for customizable cutting widths, accommodating different vegetable sizes and shapes. You can equip it with multiple knives to enhance efficiency. The stainless steel belt and cutting blades are complemented by a water spray system that keeps the blades cool and clean during operation. Despite its compact design, the cutter offers high capacity, making it ideal for large-scale processing. Safety is a priority, with built-in measures to protect operators while maintaining high productivity standards.